Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to remove background from image in Canva app. So let's get started. First, you're going to click on Uploads and upload the picture that you want to remove the background of. As you can see right here, I have already uploaded the picture that I'm going to use, so I'm just going to click on it. And now we have our picture right here. Now to remove the background of it, it is very simple. All you have to do is click on Effects. Then click on BG Remover. Now just wait for it to finish. There you have it. That's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please consider dropping a like and subscribing to the channel.